Howdy y'all, Country Fried Gamer 150 here again, and in this video we're going to be showing comparing side by side Reign of Fire and Reign of Fire Premier, and I'm going to try to do this on a couple others later on, where you compare the 200 gram version and the 500 gram version of it. Now the effects say for the 200 gram effect red palm trees with crackling red rain, and Premier says effect blue tail red palm with crackling, special blue tail with crackling, two crackling with red Dahlia. So this is going to be interesting to compare a 200 gram and 500 gram by the same name. And like I said, I'm going to try to do a couple others like this in the future. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. Reign of Fire. 3, 2, 1. Reign of Fire Premier in 3, 2, 1.